Hey, what's up YouTubes? I'm Chris, and today I'm going to show you how to use text to track something that's moving in your video, like this lacrosse ball. Our first step is to find the area where we want to begin the text. Take the blade tool and cut that part. And now we're going to select just the clip where we want to have that text. Head over to Trackers and adjust the tracking grid to fit the object you're looking to track. Drag that over. In this case, we're dragging it right over to the ball, and then we're going to click Analyze. Let the software do its trick. You'll notice that right off the bat, it does not track the ball. So what we need to do here is adjust frame by frame where the grid needs to be. So we'll back up frame by frame, and this is one of the reasons why I shoot in only 24 frames per second, because you have less frames to work with when you have to correct for this tracking tool. But there weren't too many in the beginning here. So now we can go forward and see where else it loses the tracking. So far so good, still good. Again, just going frame by frame here, hitting the right arrow. Now it starts to lose the ball. So we're gonna continue to adjust here frame by frame. And this is tedious work, so I'm just going to fast forward through this whole process, but it's literally just hit the right arrow to advance one frame, check the tracking, adjust, let go, and then check the next frame, adjust, so forth and so on. Just keep repeating this process until you're through your entire clip so that you can really perfect where that tracking tool is actually tracking to. Now that you have all the tracking figured out, we're going to click at the beginning of this clip and head over to Titles, and we're going to insert a basic title. Trim that up so it matches the clip perfectly from beginning to end. Click on it to edit whatever you want to say in your text, and then click Transform. Head to the top where it says Tracker, hit the down arrow, and select Object Track. Now drag your text right next to the tracker and click Done. We'll roll through this clip and you'll see that the text maintains itself right next to the ball. And that's it. I hope this video helps you out. Please feel free to give it a thumbs up if it did. And also feel free to subscribe so I know to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and you will catch me in the next one.